Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit viral reels in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're creating Instagram reels, TikToks, YouTube shorts, gaming edits, motivational videos, or cinematic short-form content, After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating fast-paced and professional-looking viral edits. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using a vertical resolution like 1080 by 1920. Next, import your video clips, music, sound effects, overlays, and graphics into the project panel. To make reels go viral, grab attention within the first few seconds. Start with the most exciting, emotional, or surprising moment immediately. Now drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want for the reel. Viral reels usually move very fast, so trim unnecessary moments and keep the pacing energetic throughout the video. Once your reel looks good, preview the full edit carefully and export the final video in high quality. After exporting, upload the reel to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts with strong captions, hashtags, and thumbnails. And that's basically how to edit viral reels in After Effects in 2026. With fast pacing, motion effects, captions, music syncing, and cinematic transitions, you can create engaging short-form content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.